following situations best demonstrates, ay, nabanggit ko po ito kanina, no? Kung kayo nakikinig, tumpak ang ating magiging choice. GPE, gravitational potential energy. Letter A battery powering a flashlight. Letter B, a stretched rubber band ready to snap. Letter C, a book placed on top of a shelf. Or letter D, a moving electric fan blade. What is your choice? Okay, so potential energy, gravitational. Ano nga yung sinabi ko kanina? Nakaangat siya from the ground. Okay, nakaangat. Potential energy. Hindi pa siya gumagalaw, no? And so, tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C. Okay, so a book placed on top of a shelf, nakaangat, that is the right choice. Okay? So, battery powering a flashlight, no? Kinetic energy na po ito. Light energy na siya. Gamit na kasi, no? So, kinetic na siya. Stretch rubber band, this is your potential energy, pero hindi po siya gravitational energy, elastic potential energy po ito. A moving electric fan blade, of course, this is your kinetic energy, no? Katulad po ng oscillating electric fan kanina. Alright? So, letter C is the right choice.